To create a game pass, start by opening a new browser tab and navigating to create.roblox.com. This will take you to your Roblox Creator Hub, where you'll find the Creations option on the left-hand sidebar. Click or tap on Creations and select the option that includes your username and the word Place. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Monetization section and click or tap on Passes. Then, click the Create a Pass button to start creating your pass. You can upload an image to change the pass's appearance, and you must give it a name. Adding a description is optional, and you can upload JPEGs,
PNGs,
or .bmp files. Once you've completed these steps, scroll down and click the blue Create Pass button. However, creating the pass is not enough. You must also put it on sale. To do this, select the pass you just created and click or tap on Sales in the settings. Check the box that says Item for Sale and set a price in Robux, keeping in mind that there is a 70% creator earnings charge. For example, if you set the price at 150 Robux, you will only receive 105 Robux due to the fee. Click or tap the Save Changes button to save your changes. Once you've completed these steps, you can open the Please Donate experience and claim a blank stand by holding down the E key or tapping and holding on mobile. The game pass you created will be displayed, including the image and description you added, and players can purchase it to donate Robux to your cause. The process is similar on mobile devices. Open a new browser tab, navigate to create.roblox.com, and select the experience that includes your username and the word Place. Tap the three lines at the top to bring out the sidebar. Then scroll down to the Monetization section and select Passes. Create a new pass, add a name and description, and set a price. Don't forget to put the pass on sale by checking the Item for Sale box and saving your changes. Then, you can open the Please Donate experience, claim a stand, and display your game pass for players to purchase.